The 4-seat Audi A5 stays among the most enjoyable and practical two doors offered, even after 17 years and 4 generations on the marketplace. Available as a hardtop sports car or drop-top exchangeable, the A5's design invites your eyes and its handling welcomes your interest. While we assess the 4-door A5 Sportback separately, all A5 versions no matter door matter feature basic all-wheel drive and share a 261 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder that friends to a 7-speed automatic transmission. Eager balance throughout delivers an amusing driving experience without the harsher trip of pricier, more effective A5-based models like the 349 horsepower S5 and the 444 horsepower RS5. Lovely everywhere, there are a few deluxe shortcuts in the cabin such as improperly cushioned armrests. Still, the A5's ease of use and generous freight area makes it a surprisingly sensible and well-rounded option. New basic attributes sign up with the lineup. All versions currently come with a warmed guiding wheel with hands-on discovery, adaptive cruise ship control, active lane aid, and car parking help, which can park the car for you. Audi additionally made it possible for remote starting with the MyAudi application. The exterior shade scheme includes progressive red metallic instead of Tango Red, and Arkona White instead of Ibis White. Vehicles geared up with navigating bundle optional on premium and also standard over that gain web traffic indicator acknowledgement and predictive flexible cruise ship control. Navigating opens a 6-month registration to the more full-featured Audi Attach Plus and Audi Application Shop, an Audi-specific software interface for whatever from weather condition and news to gaming and vehicle parking. We suggest the mid-range premium and also trim degree as the very best equilibrium of features and price, and we would certainly include the navigating plan for even more unwinded driving. This trim comes with preferable touches like Audi's digital scale screen, surround view cam, cordless charging pad, 19-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio, and the new tech attributes. We additionally choose the coupe. The $7,000 costs for a cost cabriolet can acquire a status coupe with all the trimmings. On the other hand, if you should go topless, the A5 Cabriolet sets you back lots of thousands less than the BMW 4 Series convertible. The A5 Coupe is approximated to return 24 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. However, the highway rating goes down to 31 miles per gallon for the drop-top variant. As soon as we run the A5 models on our 75 mile per hour freeway fuel economy route, which becomes part of our substantial testing regimen, we can assess their real-world MPG. For more information concerning the A5's fuel economic climate, see the EPA's website.